Hey everyone, let's talk about seized caster adjusters. Seized caster adjusters are a very common problem on Honda S2000s that are driven in corrosive environments. I've personally encountered this issue on a friend's car from New Jersey, and I am now experiencing this exact same issue on my Club Racer, which I purchased from Tennessee. Like many other people, I discovered that my caster adjusters were seized after I'd gone to get an alignment, and the alignment technician had informed me that they couldn't adjust my car's caster. Let me explain what they mean and show you how you can inspect your car to see if it is affected. There are 3 alignment adjusters on the Honda S2000, one for toe, one for caster, and one for camber. Normally when you adjust the caster, you use a 17mm wrench and a 17mm socket to loosen the bolt holding things in place. Once that is loosened, you use a 24mm socket to spin the caster adjuster until the desired caster is reached. As I spin the caster adjuster, you will notice that the control arm moves forwards and backwards and changes the caster in real time. When the caster adjuster is seized, the caster adjuster won't spin at all. Even with my cordless impact gun, I can't get it to budge. Now, the reason why this happens in the first place is because the caster adjuster is actually a sleeve, and that sleeve sits inside of the compliance bushing. Over time, the caster adjuster sleeve and the inside of the compliance bushing will corrode and seize together, making it impossible for you to adjust your caster. If you've discovered that your Honda S2000 has seized caster adjusters, you have a couple of options. If you're on a budget, you could leave the car as is. Having static caster will limit the range of your alignments, but as long as the caster, toe, and camber can be aligned within factory specifications, it won't hurt your car. The only other option is to cut out the control arms, replace the caster alignment hardware, and install control arms with good compliance bushings. Unfortunately, OEM caster alignment hardware will run you about $100 for both sides of the car. When it comes to reinstalling the control arms, you have a wide variety of options. The easiest option is to buy and install used OEM control arms for an additional $65 each. On the other hand, you can get new aftermarket control arms for around $100 each, but I wouldn't recommend this route simply because there isn't enough information about how well these perform. If you want to go OEM, you can pick up brand new control arms for around $300 each. The cheapest but most labor-intensive option is to reuse your old control arms. You can then replace the old busted OEM compliance bushing with ones from aftermarket brands starting from $75. So if you want to fix this problem yourself, you're looking at anywhere from $175 to $700 just in parts alone. I personally chose to cut out the control arms, replace the caster alignment hardware, and replace the old OEM bushing with an aftermarket hardened rubber bushing for a grand total of $175. I hope this video clarifies this issue for S2000 owners out there. If you've encountered and solved this problem yourself, comment down below with the solution that worked out for you. In my next video, I'll show you how I replace my compliance bushings and caster alignment hardware step by step. Stay tuned.